Bangor is located central Maine. We're about 2.5 hours drive time north of Portland, Maine.
And we're about 2 hours from the border of Canada.
Piedmont's control here in Bangor is all the below the wing as well as above the wing.
So in the summertime, we have Charlotte, Chicago, DC, and Philadelphia. And then wintertime, it's usually just Charlotte, DC, and Philly.
We service international diversions as well as domestic flights.
University of Maine is 15 minutes outside Bangor and Orono. Maine hockey is a huge deal up here in Maine, so we get a lot of hockey bags.
We do have a lot of business travel with our direct flight to DCA. We see a lot of corporate travel as well as we have a local senator that travels for business.
You know, your winter months, we do have the ski people, the fall people, we have, the leaf peepers that want to come up and see the leaves.
So we are only about an hour's drive from our beautiful coastline, so a lot of people come here to visit Acadia National Park for hunting, fishing, hiking, as well as just spending time on the coast and having a lobster roll. There's a few landmarks in our greater Bangor area. One is the Standpipe, and one, of course, is Stephen King's Victorian mansion.
And then you have the statue of Paul Bunyan that's downtown and where the Cross Insurance Center is. A lot of people like to see that.
The uniqueness of the operation here is the experience that we've had over the years. I've worked here 39 years. I've been with Piedmont 23 years now.
I'd say our station's unique because of how small we are and the growth that we face every year. We used to be a cross-train station, and we've recently split to above and below. And our agents have voluntarily kept both training. So we have a lot of cross-trained agents still willing to work both sides of the operations.
Everyone works very well together. It's the same job but different every day.
Come see our little town and see what we have to offer.